Good morning, I'm Sunitra Chaudhary, political editor of the Hindustan Times, bringing you the big story on Monday, the 24th of August. Today is a Congress Working Committee meeting which is set to see fireworks as the letter that has been written by key dissenters in the 130-year-old party will be brought up for discussion. Now, initially it was thought that this letter was just written by 23 people. Now, Hindustan Times has learned that that number may be much more than 100 to be precise, and it is backed up, as they claim, by 300 people. Now, what the letter says is that it asks for a complete rehaul and elections at every level, from the block level to the mandal level to the state, and they also want elections to the CWC. They point out that it's been 15 months since the defeat and there's been no real introspection till now. In fact, Hindustan Times has learned that there are several triggers to this, which goes back to the initial period after the 2019 defeat when key appointments were made. But the latest trigger, one of the most significant triggers for this letter, which asks for decisive leadership, which asks for a change in leadership while they ostensibly seem to be thanking the role that the current Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi has played, is that one particular moment when in June, Congress President Sonia Gandhi appeared at the meeting that was called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to discuss the situation along the line of actual control, the India-China situation and the tension that had erupted over there after the Galwan incident. Now, Hindustan Times has learned, while Sonia Gandhi spoke over there and was perhaps the only key opposition leader that was critical of the government, that asked the government whether there had been intelligence failure, what upset some of these Congress leaders is that there had been no discussion within the party about taking that stand. They point out that this was a key issue involving foreign policy, and they felt that this perhaps should have been discussed within the party. They also felt that there were several people who were foreign policy experts and they should have been consulted. They point out that at no point had any of them been consulted. They also point out that perhaps the consultation process within the party had completely stopped. They say that most of them have no access, even though that they're key leaders. For example, Ghulam Nabi Azad is the leader of the party in the Rajya Sabha. The same for Anand Sharma. Kapil Sibal, one of the key lawyers who defends the party at various courts, and also one of the key leaders who has been a former minister, they say that they haven't actually been consulted for the last 3 years. Whenever they say that they seek to speak with the Congress leadership or want to speak to Sonia Gandhi, they are told to speak to other leaders like K.C. Venugopal and Randeep Surjewala. And this lack of access that they have to Rahul Gandhi and to Sonia Gandhi has been upsetting for them. But that key moment in June when Sonia Gandhi criticized the Prime Minister seems to have been one of the major triggers. There were other triggers, of course, as well. Things like appointments. One of the key appointments that was made recently is the General Secretary in charge of Rajasthan, Ajay Maken. While they point out, and some people felt that Ajay Maken may not be the right choice, what they're saying is that was there a consultation process in this particular discussion as well? They want to know why is it that Avinash Pandey, who has been the General Secretary over there and oversaw the elections which gave the Congress party a win, if there was a decision to change him, should there have been a larger discussion within the party, which at this moment seems to be missing? They're asking for elections at every stage, and what they want is a parliamentary board which will have leaders who will then be consulted for key decisions, which at the moment is missing now. Of course, when the entire CWC, an extended version with the chief ministers involved as well, when they meet today, we are going to hear a whole slew of opinions. Remember that the charge against the people who have raised this issue of dissent, who want change, is that they are dominated by self-interest, that they feel that they are becoming irrelevant within the party and they want key positions, which is why they're upset and which is why they've written this key letter. They point out that it's not in self-interest, but in interest of the party looking ahead to the elections that are there in a couple of years from now, and also the fact that it's been 15 years since the time that they lost the election, and till now there's been no real introspection as to what has led to that loss. So key meeting, Sonia Gandhi may be stepping down. It's something that we'll be tracking on HindustanTimes.com.